Assalamu alaikum everyone. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I am Amar, a structural engineer by profession, and since the past few years I have been designing steel, concrete, precast and pre-stressed structures. A few fellow engineers, some friends and students requested me to teach them design of steel structures. So I thought instead of teaching each and everyone individually, why not upload these tutorials on YouTube so that maximum people can benefit from them, inshallah. And I hope you will enjoy learning as we go along. And I'm sure most of you must be familiar with the softwares which are currently being used to analyze and design different structures. Some of the most popular of which are CSI ETABS, then SAP 2000, Bentley Stat Pro, and Autodesk Robot. But usually I use E-tabs for concrete design and SAP 2000 for a design of steel structures. Both E-tabs and SAP are pretty much the same and have kind of same interface. But I personally think that designing and modeling of steel structures is comparatively faster as compared to other softwares. And some of you might be wondering at what level this series will be taught. You don't need to worry at all. Inshallah, I will cover everything in detail. And even if you are an absolute beginner, you can learn by following all the lectures and then practicing them. But obviously, it will require just the basic knowledge of structural engineering, and by the end of this series you will be confident enough to design any steel structure on your own. So first of all, we will start by familiarizing ourselves with SAP software, where we will see the interface and some other relevant options. Then we will model, analyze and design a few steel structures, starting from the easier ones first and then moving to the complicated ones as we go along. And we will not just limit ourselves to this SAP software. I will also introduce you to some more tools which also assist in design of steel structures. Then I will cover the topics of wind load calculation, seismic loading, design of connections, serviceability checks. All of this will be covered in detail, inshallah. And finally, at the end, we will learn how to make professional design calculation report, which is requirement of most clients. And I will try to keep my lectures very precise and to the point, so it doesn't get boring, and it is also, in this case, it will be easy for you to follow and then practice. So for all those who are interested in learning, I recommend you to install SAP before watching and moving on to the next lecture. I hope you will learn a lot from this series. So see you all in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.